In this video, I'll show you how to cash out on 888stars. Now let's look at YouTube channel for more interview videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional 888stars account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option that says by email, fill in all your details correctly and create a password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code RenzoTV. If you use the promo code, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you want to cash out on 888stars, go over here. Come and see a menu, click on settings and take the option that says withdraw from account. So cashing out is another way of withdrawal, or another name for referring to withdrawal. So come over here, choose the option you want to use. There are many options to withdraw. It can be through crypto, e-wallet, or any other method depending on the region in which you find yourself in. So just choose the wallet and then you follow the instructions that are going to be given to you and you cash out their money.